Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the YG wigs. Guys, I am in love with the color of this wig. It's in number 1B and 27, right? So the hair is so soft, guys. Very soft. This is my first time trying 1B and 27, but I'm loving it. So the box came with a cap and it came with the instruction on how to take care of the hair, and it also comes with the wig, of course. So that's what the wig looks like. The hair also comes with 2 clips and an elastic strap in case you don't want to apply gel or glue on your hair, so you can as well attach the elastic band. And it also comes with an extra comb, which is quite interesting because this is my first time seeing an extra comb in a wig packaging. But that's also, the wig also has 3 combs, 2 on the top, 1 in the middle and 1 at the back of the wig, just to adjust the wig in case you don't want to use glue. You can wear it glueless. And it also has an elastic strap at the back. Guys, look at the wig. The wig is really the hair is really I also like full. The fact that the curls was actually really bouncy straight from the box. The hair is really full. It's 150 density and it's very soft to touch, and you can see how bouncy the curls are. I actually applied the wig using the got to be glue. I tied my scarf on my head as normal just to keep it flat, so you can style the hair anyhow you like. I showed you guys how I style the hair. The most amazing thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that the quality is really amazing. For a colored hair to be really soft and very silky to touch, it's so amazing. You can also style the hair anyhow you like. I actually showed you guys some of the styles that I would go for with this hair, and also you can decide to style it the way you like. You can actually pack the hair up to like 4 to 5 inches, which is quite generous. And bear in mind that this hair is actually two-toned, so the color variation of the hair makes it more even attractive, and anyone of different skin tone or skin type can wear this wig. That is the most amazing thing I love about this hair. Anyone can wear it. Doesn't matter if you're fair, dark or whatever, you can wear this wig and it's going to suit you, which is what I really like about this hair. If you also get tired of wearing the hair blonde and black, you can also color the hair to the blonde bit to any style that you like or any color that you like. So that's also an option, which is quite amazing. It's a great value for money and I'm loving it, guys. This is the finished look, guys. This is what the hair looks like after coiling it. I only did a loose wave on this one so you guys can see how long the hair is. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the YG wigs for you guys. I did the unboxing for you guys and I showed you guys how I installed this hair. I really don't know how to explain this, but it's amazing how this hair is really soft, and I was expecting it to shed as a colored hair, but there was no shedding, there was no tangling whatsoever. Look at that, guys. The length is 20 inch and it's Peruvian. So I'm going to leave the details of the hair in the description box below. So I'm just going to tell you guys some of the things that I really like about this hair. The most important thing that I really like about this hair is the quality of this hair. The hair is really soft and is true to length. It does not shed or tangle or get matte at all. I also like the construction of the cap. The cap also have 4 combs and 1 elastic strap in it. This cap fits me perfectly from hair to hair. I absolutely love it. And another thing that I really like about this hair is the fact that it holds curls really well, guys, and it feels really soft. I run my hands through it every minute and there was no shedding whatsoever. And another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that I used small comb on it, open with the hope that the hair is going to shed or come matte or anything, but it's not shedding at all. I really like the color variation of the hair. You really can't tell where the black stops or where it ends. So I also like how the color of the hair is mixed in a way that the black blends in you know, nicely with the shade 27, which is really nice. I like the color combination, and I like the fact that I can pat and style the hair anyhow I like. Another thing I really like about this hair is the fact that it's true to length and is very affordable. The hair also comes pre-plucked straight from the box, so there is no need for you to worry about, you know, pre-plucking the hair. And it also has a baby hair in the perimeters, so in case you like baby hair. Another thing I really like about the, you know, brand is the fact that the box comes with an elastic strap, it comes with a cap, and it also comes with clips, 2 clips, so in case you want to style the hair, then you have the options for those, which is quite good. If there's anything that I really noticed about this hair that I like so much, is the quality. The quality of the hair is just amazing. You also have the option to wear this wig like this, or you might as well, you know, add dye or whatever you want in this shade 27, so it's, you know, saves you the time of bleaching a black hair to blonde, which is really quite amazing. I really love this hair so much. Like, if you get tired of wearing blonde and you want to change the color, then it makes it even easier for you to go about that without having to bleach the hair or anything, which is what I really like about this hair. It gives you so many options. In case you're interested in the hair, guys, the hair shipped on Friday and I received it on Monday morning at 9 o'clock, so the shipping is really fast. If you need the hair for an occasion, you can actually get it within 2 days, so the shipping is really fast, as in really fast. I really love the hints of the hair. There is no split ends or anything so far. I am loving the hair, and I highly recommend that you guys check out their website. I'll leave the details of the hair in the description box below in case you guys are interested. Feel free to check out their website and let me know what you guys think. I really love the hair and I will definitely be rocking it. I'm loving the fact that it's full, very full, and is very lightweight. And I like about this is the fact that if you don't want to use glue or gel, you might as well use the elastic strap at the back, but you guys already know I like holding my hair on both sides, on both hairs. Also like the fact that the color of the hair will complement a lot of skin tones, so that for me is really amazing. I like that about the hair. And I also like the fact that the hair has also been pre-plucked straight from the box. Guys, I can't help myself but just keep, you know, putting my hand through, rubbing my hand through all the time because I am loving it. I don't know if the camera is doing justice to this hair. It felt so lovely. It felt so silky, and I am totally loving it. Like, guys, I am loving it. Look at that. I am totally loving it. I like the hair so far, and I would definitely recommend that you guys check them out and let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.